Hey there, gang. Welcome back to Papa's Model Workshop. I'm Papa. This is my workshop. I finally turned the air conditioner off. It's October 9th today, and the air conditioner has been running non-stop down here since May. So this morning I finally turned off the air conditioner. It was, I think, 52 degrees this morning, and it dropped into the 40s overnight. So fall is coming. That's okay. You get into the cooler weather, and it's nice to kind of curl up in your workshop or at your workbench or wherever you build your models and, spend the day working on your build. So good stuff. Let's acknowledge my sponsor right out of the gate today, okay? If you go to Gallery, you will get 10% off of all of their equipment, airbrushes, and their Kaleido paints if you put in my discount code PPMW. And speaking of Gallery, I want to give a shout out to my friend Sita at Gallery. She's my contact over there. And we email each other quite frequently. And she mentioned to me in the email that I got this morning that she watches my channel occasionally. So that's nice to hear. So Sita, I hope you're enjoying my videos, and I hope you have a great day. I generally check my emails and messages first thing in the morning. And I had been writing good morning Sita to her, and then I realized she's actually at the Gallery headquarters over in China. So I'm writing good morning to her, and when she's getting it, it's the evening. So I finally figured that out. So I switched my greeting to her to good evening. So okay, so let's see. If you want a shop card, here you go. Okay, there's my email address. And for content creators, there's the mailing address right there if you would like to swap shop cards. Okay. This is going to be a quick video. I know I keep saying that I'm going to shorten these videos, and I keep running it up to like a half an hour. So today, this is just a quick video simply to let you know that the voting for the colors for the USACC build, okay? We're voting on the 3 colors, and I will show you that back in the workshop, okay? And I have everything kind of set up back there because I just don't have the room here. So I'll tell you what, let's head back there right now. Okay, just to quickly review the colors for the USACC build for the 69 Camaro, or Camaro as I call it, is A, the yellow, orange, and red. Okay, and I did some spoons. All right, and I used a couple of different primers. All right, this is the white primer, black primer, and the silver primer. Right, and B is the silver, purple, and blue. Okay, right here, and here is C, the yellow and green. Okay, so those are the choices for the USACC build. Okay, and don't forget, you want to vote for which video you want me to do first for the 2 videos that got deleted, and to just review that, or maybe you didn't see that video where I mentioned that I was having difficulties. 2 videos were shot last week. One went over the weathering I did on this Del Rey. Let me get rid of this hood here for a second. You think it'll stay there? Maybe it'll stay there. Okay. Yeah, I think it's going to stay there. A lot of people mentioned, gee, I kind of like the way you did the weathering on this, but we would like to see how you did it, not just the end result. So the video that I did last week actually was a demonstration of how I did that, and that was one of the 2 videos that got deleted. And then the second one had to do with applying bare metal foil to small surfaces. And what I did in that video was I demonstrated putting bare metal foil on the window cranks of this door panel. Okay, that's trying to get that in focus. because you can use bare metal foil for things other than just around a windshield or door panels or whatnot. You can use it really for anything. And this was a demonstration of how I did bare metal foil on something really small like a window crank. And I did it in the Del Rey here. I don't think you're going to be able to see that. Let me see if I can get the light down here. Hang on, guys. Let me grab a light. All right, let's see if I can shed some light on this, literally. Hang on. Okay, can we? And you know what? The light is actually bleaching out. But anyway, there's the door handle, or window cranks is what I'm trying to say. Okay, maybe that's a little bit better. And yeah, that was done in bare metal foil. Okay, so we'll put that back there. All right, and the other thing was voting on the 3 choices as a prize. I guess you call it a prize. I don't know, celebration, whatever. When I get up to 1,000 subscribers, I want to give away a kit. So I'm going to move the camera. Hang on, guys. And these are the 3 that I am offering as a subscriber prize: the Charger, the Audi, and the Monte Carlo, NASCAR Monte Carlo. Okay, so those are the 3. And just to kind of go over the whole deal, all right, there it is. Okay, the 3 colors for the USACC build right there. Which video you want to see first. I'm going to do both videos, all right? But this is just simply which one you want to see first. And voting on the kit that I'm going to give away when I reach 1,000 subscribers, okay? So these 2, the voting ends this Saturday at 12 noon Eastern time. That's October 11th. And this one, the voting ends on Friday, October 31st, 12 noon Eastern time. Okay. The prize for reaching 1,000 subscriptions. All right. So, gee, this is up to 7 minutes and I'm ready to wrap this up. So I actually got a video in a reasonable amount of time. All right. Good deal. So like I said, this was just a quick jump on video to remind you about the voting. So I will do the next video. Probably I'll release the next video maybe Saturday afternoon announcing which color won and which video I will upload first, either the weathering video or the bare metal foil video. All right. Hit the subscribe button. Help me get there. Okay. And remember, the giveaway of the kit is for the lower 48 in the USA. The shipping costs are just prohibitive to send anything out of the lower 48. So I apologize. That's just the way it has to be. And I will be picking randomly from my subscribers. So if you want to be on the list as somebody who might win one of those kits, hit the subscribe button, okay? If you're on the Facebook side watching this, jump over to YouTube and go to Papa's Model Workshop, hit the subscribe button, all right? And yeah, gee, this is pretty good. I'm just coming up to 9 minutes. So I'm going to end this video up. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.